Today, we are going to solve systems of equations by elimination. Our key vocabulary is elimination. Elimination is the goal of this method is to get one equation that has only one variable. To do this, we add or subtract the two equations together. In our first example, we have negative 2y and positive 2y. If we add them together, they equal 0, and they will be eliminated. So we're going to add the two equations together. X plus 5x is 6x. Negative 2y plus 2y is 0. Negative 19 plus 1 is negative 18. Notice for this method, we have to have our x's lined up, our y's lined up, the equal signs lined up, and our numbers lined up. Once we get it to this point, we divide both sides by 6, and we get x equals negative 3. To find y, we plug in negative 3 into one of the equations. I'm going to use this one. So we have negative 3 minus 2y equals negative 19. We need to add 3 to both sides, and we get negative 2y equals negative 16. Divide both sides by negative 2, and we get y equals 8. Our point is negative 3, 8. We should plug this into the other equation to double check ourselves. 5 times negative 3 plus 2 times 8 equals 1. That's negative 15 plus 16. Yes, it equals 1, so we are correct. In our second equation, you will notice if you were to add the two equations, neither variable will be eliminated. We have 2x and negative x, and then we have y plus 3y. Neither one would be eliminated. So as the title says, elimination using multiplication first, we have to multiply. I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2 because if I do, it will become negative 2x, which will be eliminated when I add it to the 2x. So I get 2x plus y equals 3 for the first. Underneath, I would have negative 2x plus 6y equals negative 24. Remember, you have to distribute the 2 to all parts. Now we can add 2x and negative 2x is 0. Y plus 6y is 7y equals 3 plus negative 24, negative 21. So y equals negative 3 once we divide by the 7. I then take the negative 3 and plug it into one of the original equations to find my x. So I have 2x plus negative 3 equals 3. I have to add 3 to both sides, and I have 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by 2, and I have x equals 3. So our point is 3, negative 3. I should go and plug this into an equation to double check. So I have in the second equation, negative 3 plus 3 times negative 3 equals negative 12. Negative 3 plus negative 9 equals negative 12. Check. Some key points to remember is you need to have opposite coefficients so that you add the like terms vertically. You solve for the remaining variable. Your answer is still an ordered pair.